Thank you, TRADEway family. Dave Huber here. Today is an exciting day at TRADEway. We are celebrating our 5,000 YouTube subscribers. And if you are one of those subscribers, then that means today we are celebrating you. 5,000. Wow, man, you guys are incredible. So as a thank you for being here and for being a part of our YouTube community, we're doing a giveaway. 5 TRADEway subscribers will be randomly selected to win a free ticket to our newest challenge. It's called the New Year New Trading Habits Challenge with Coach Blair Nightingale. This is a 16-day habits building workshop that could drastically change your life. Here's how you enter to win. First, be sure you're subscribed to the TRADEway YouTube channel. Second, like this video. Just give it a thumbs up. Third, leave a comment in the comment section of this video. If you're not sure what to say, just let us know how long you've been a subscriber. Our 5 winners will be selected and contacted on February 23rd. We're so excited for all the content we have in store for you this year. And thank you again for being a part of our TRADEway channel and for being a subscriber. God bless, and we'll see you in the market.